Hello everyone, I am Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, and in today's video we're going to talk about this Baktus. You can call it a neck warmer, which is made into the shape of a triangular shape. So I began the work with casting on from here three stitches, 3 front stitches, and then I had to increase both sides, right and left, with 1 extra loop each side. And we need here in the garter stitch, so we need front stitches on the front, and on the back we need also with front stitches, and we get this garter stitch effect in this Baktus, in this shawl. It can be used as shawl as well. It can be used as a top, but you can use in the summertime. You can wrap around your chest and make a knot at the back, and you've got like a stunning top. In this case it's knitted from cotton yarn, so I'll be using this as a top as well as a neck warmer, like in the summer in the evenings. I would be using this to keep warm around my neck, on my back, using it as a shawl as well. This yarn has different thicknesses as you go along. As you knit, it creates different texture, different different thickness, different style. It's all random, and it creates this kind of elasticated feel to the garment. And I have made also a hat from this color, from this yarn, and this would be for summer evenings when it will be a bit chilly. I will just wear this hat, and it will be a set, wearing a hat and this Baktus together. It would be like a set, and hopefully you're going to love it. I have a special video with this hat, you can have a look. But I'll be showing you how I started this Baktus from 3 stitches. It's very easy, it's good for beginners, and it's easy to do. The size of needle is number 4, and from 3 stitches I got to, like, as you can see, the edge here. I put also markers to make it clear that I do the front side. When I have these markers, it's a front side, and when I don't see the markers, is the back side of this garment. So let's begin. Apparently the name for Baktus comes from Scandinavian areas, so I don't know the translation for it, but it's known as Baktus, this kind of garment. So it's a garment of triangular shape, wrapping around your neck, and that's what is called Baktus. I'll be using a different yarn because this is the yarn which has thickness sorry, sometimes has more thickness than the other times, and as you can see, it's different yarn. It's all kind of texturized. I will be hiding this, and so I'll be casting on with a different yarn, with acrylic yarn, which is this, and let's cast on. So we do it like so, and then we make the loop, and we cast on 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. The first loop, as usually, we do not knit it, but in this case we have to knit it with a front stitch. But in this case I can't knit it in this row, so I'll just put it in front of a right needle, and yeah, so the third I've knitted with a front stitch. Then we reverse the work and we knit again, front stitch, front stitch, second is front stitch, and the third is also front stitch. Reverse the work, and now we knit in this way. We knit front stitch on the first loop, then we add a yarn over like so. We rotate it onto the right needle, we press it with a finger, hold it with a finger, and then the middle stitch, the middle loop, we knit it with a front stitch, and then again we wrap around with yarn over, and then we knit it again with a front stitch, and so we increased with 2 loops. So now the first loop we knitted with a front stitch to get this kind of like edging, quite nice edging, and the yarn over we knit it in a certain way. We knit it not like so, because it will be a hole, but we knit it like this. We take the right needle and we grab behind the loop, and we knit it like this, and you see we don't get the hole. Again, front stitch, and then again increase the yarn over. We knit it from the back like that, and last one, front stitch. Again, so this is the front side of the work. We knit first stitch with a front stitch, we do yarn over, we knit this 3 front stitches, again yarn over, again yarn over, and the last stitch has to be front stitch. Reverse the work. We need the first one with a front stitch, and now the yarn overs we need from behind to make sure we don't get the hole, and we need this 3 loops with a front stitch again, so we need them with a front stitch on the front and on the back. And this is how we need this Baktus. And the loop here we need it from behind to make sure we don't get the hole, and the last one is a front stitch. And this is exactly what you need to repeat to reach a certain amount of length in this garment. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. At the moment we've got 7 stitches, then it will be 9 stitches because you'll be increasing from both sides. The second loop from the front, from the beginning, and the second loop from the end, you always increase like so with a yarn overs like I shown you, and then on the back you need in a way that it doesn't leave a hole, which I've shown you. And this way you increase from time to time, every time, and you get a different length. For example, in mine it's huge. This is the bottom, and as you can see it's quite long, and this is the front, and I do the same thing. I'm going to show you how I knit with this yarn in case you are interested to see how I do it. It's quite big, so I have to move it a little bit. So the front stitch, we knit it with a front stitch, yarn over, and we knit with front stitches. And to make it easier for you, you can place markers at the beginning of a row on the front like I did, and you would always know this is the front, the garment from the front. So, and you knit all until the end of this row. And you can knit, for example, 50 centimeters tall or wide, depending on what size you want to achieve in this garment. So you are welcome to experiment, to make it longer, to make it bigger, and to make it as long as you have yarn for it, to make sure you don't run out of yarn when you knit this garment. So this is the end of this row. We make yarn over, and we knit the last stitch with a front stitch. We reverse the work, and we need it with a front stitch, the first one, and then the second one, which we increased, we knit at the back like this, and then you continue to knit, and then you continue to knit until the end of this row, and then we repeat again everything that I've shown you. So I wish you good luck in this project. If you want to do a Baktus like my own version, you're welcome to. Maybe you can vary it and do with a pattern or some sort of other stitches, but the increases could remain the same. So you're welcome to experiment and choose different yarns than me, and hopefully my tutorial would be useful for you to do a beautiful garment. So please put likes to my video and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully it will turn out good for you, this pattern. It's easy, it's very easy even for beginners to do it, so you are welcome to. But I will finish this garment, this Baktus of the scene, so I'll possibly show you in a video how it's finished. But for now, I wish you all the best and see you soon in the next video. Thank you for watching and listening. Bye bye. Welcome to Vanila. Bye bye.